Hey, what's up everybody? Dan here and welcome to the TechFit 360's Budget Gear series. Today I'll be taking a look at the NeekFox 8-port USB wall charger. Now this is my very first USB wall charger that has an LCD display screen which shows the current voltage, charging port indicator, and amperage per USB port. The unit has a very nice white glossy finish and uses a standard US plug. Now this info right here is very important. This device has an 8 amp max, meaning that if you connect 8 USB devices to this 40-watt unit at the same time, the maximum charging amperage you will receive is 1.0 amps per USB. So today, I'm going to plug 8 devices in this unit and see what kind of amps we're pulling for each device. So, let's go learn things. Laying on my desk are 8 different USB devices. I have the iPhone 6s Plus, the iPhone 7 Plus, the iPhone 10, my AirPods, the Apple Watch, Fitbit Blaze, my Pulse Bluetooth speaker, and my HP sprocket way in the back. So let's start plugging these devices in one by one. I think some of these devices are fully charged, so you will notice a very low amperage reading when I connect it to the hub. Also, you will see the display scanning from port to port, so I may say an amperage that's not on the display because it's already scanning another port. Here we go. Port number 1 is the HP sprocket, and we can see by looking at the display, it's fluctuating between 0.7 and 0.8 amps. Port number 2 is the iPhone 6 Plus, and it's pulling 1.7 amps. Next, we have the iPhone 7 Plus on port number 3 pulling 0.2 amps. And on port number 4, we have the iPhone 10 pulling 0.4 amps. On port number 5, you will find my AirPods, which are useless in this video because they are fully charged. Anyway, at least the other devices will be happy because that means they will receive more amps. My Pulse speaker pulling 1.5 amps on port number 6, the Apple Watch on port number 7 pulling 0.1 amps, and another fully charged device on port number 8, it's pulling nothing at all. Man, I need some dead devices. So right here, by plugging 3 not fully charged devices in, they're pulling between 0.5 and 2.1 amps. I guess it's based on their charging needs. I think this is the perfect budget device for travel or for leaving your devices charging overnight like I do without worrying about overcharging. Once your device is fully charged, it will simply turn off that port. Unfortunately, there is no quick charge port located on this device, and it would also be nice if this device had some kind of grip on the bottom to prevent it from sliding all over my desk. But overall, I like this unit. It looks good on my desk, it charges my devices, and you can pick it up on Amazon right now for $25.99. I'll leave the link in my description and you can start building your budget gear. Well everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you liked today's video, then don't be ashamed to go crazy on that like button. Be sure to connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at TechFit360, and also consider subscribing to the TechFit360 YouTube channel. If you want to take a look at some of the tech gear I use, then head on over to my kit site, and if you see something you like, just click on the link and it will take you to the exact website where I purchased the product. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my very next video.